Good morning! Y'all, I am so hyped. I don't know why. Well, probably because I just got in taking my multivitamin. Y'all, these vitamins give me so much energy. I don't know what it is, but they just put me in a better mood for the whole day. And this is the Mary Ruth's Liquid Morning Multivitamin Plus Hair Growth. And so it is clinically shown to help grow thicker, fuller hair. It improves wrinkles and fine lines, and it supports healthy skin. This is peach mango. It is super good. It's all vegan. So I started my morning off right. I'm going to insert a clip of the girls' breakfast because they smashed. I made a spooky breakfast. I need to calm down. I got me some coffee.
You're vlogging on Jayla's face?
Y'all, I made spooky bananas. This was part of the girls' lunch. They wanted, breakfast. They wanted more. But for Din Din, I'm gonna cook some collard greens. Put my turkey leg in there. I'm gonna do some baked chicken breast, and then I'm going to do some sweet potatoes and some cornbread. I was wondering if I should do macaroni, but the girl said that's too much food. So I'm like, okay. Here, Sky. Here, I'm gonna fix it. Get this one. It's so slippery. I'm trying to give her these bananas, but it's so slippery. So, yeah. It's game day, period. Got on my game day tee. It's Sunday. I have so much on the to-do list today. I need to wash hair, cook dinner, get the girls' clothes out for school, and just prepare for the week. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I will be bringing y'all along with me. They're finishing up now. Who's going first to get their hair washed?
Star.
Star, you going first?
No, I'm not going first.
Here we go. We're gonna have to rock, paper, scissors it out.
I can go first.
You wanna go first, baby? Okay. Sky volunteered to go first. Cheers to a good morning.
I was deep down in the trenches, mama said, son, gotta make it. Gotta find a way, make it out. Gotta find a way, make a way. Gotta get my family strap, put that on my dinner, put that on my kids, we on our way.
Can y'all turn up the living room, please?
I was deep down in the trenches, mama said, son, gotta make it. Gotta find a way, make it out. Gotta find a way, make a way. Gotta get my family strap, put that on my dinner, put that on my kids, we on our way. I was deep down in the trenches, mama said, son, you gotta make it. Gotta find a way, make it out. Gotta find a way, make a way. Gotta get my family strap, put that on my dinner, put that on my kids.
This how extra my daughter is before she get her hair washed.
Yes, your turn. The color's red. Shapes the color book.
Okay, sit up.
I don't have nothing.
I need to. Star, let me see your towel. Take your towel off your head. Let me see your towel. And it should be drying. Sky, come on.
Look at my face.
Oh, she can't use this conditioner. I put a flat iron dreams here. I just blow dried it all out. This is annoying. Oh my goodness. Why I got all these girls? I still gotta wash Sky
We
hair.
got 3 girls
And
two.
Star's hair is washed. It just needs to be blow dried out or whatever. Okay, let me hurry up.
I put that on my DNA, I put that on my kids, we on always. Not going back to how I used to be. They want me dead abroad, they want me with no hope, they want me them bad. But I keep on getting this back. I don't mean to brag through all these up and downs. The kids still around. See now the joke's in you look like a clown. So look me in my eyes and tell me what you see. You ain't seen what I seen. I've been traumatized and I'm cutting ties and I'm paying ties. Can't sleep through the night. I'm scared to close my eyes. Been through everything. They try to tie me down. They think I forgot. They ran up in the spot. 23 shots, but I survived. I was deep down in the trenches. Mama said, son, you gotta make it. Gotta find a way, make it out. Gotta find a way, make a way. Gotta get my family straight. Put that on my DNA. Put that on my kids. We on our way. I was deep down in the trenches. Mama said, son, you gotta make it. Gotta find a way, make it out. Gotta find a way, make a way. Gotta get my family straight. Put that on my DNA. Put that on my kids. We on our way.
Okay, you guys, I'm about to call it a night. I am super tired. I'm about to get in the shower, do my skincare, all of that good stuff. I'm so tired. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if this vlog sucks. I have no idea how this vlog is going to turn out because I have to get back used to vlogging. So, yeah. Well, good night, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a great week.